Welcome to our crafting corner, where creativity comes to life. Let's mix the resin. Carefully measure out the resin and hardener, then stir them together for about 2 minutes until fully blended. Make sure the mold is free from dust or any residual particles of resin. Take your keychain molds and place a few dried red rose petals into each mold, arranging them to your liking. After the curing period, carefully remove the resin keychains from the molds. They should pop out easily. Finally, attach your keychain hardware using a strong adhesive. And voila! Your exquisite resin keychains are ready. If you want yours, place your order on Instagram, link in description below. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.